My name is Mike Kennedy. I'm the scheduler here at Smack Plastics. RotoEdge Pro has made my life a lot easier because it is streamlined the scheduling process. That instead of taking an Excel sheet, print it out every day, and having to go out and count parts and things like that, to see where we're at on work orders and things like that, this enables you to be able to track progress in real time, to see where the product is in the plant, and to be able to control your schedule better. Know exactly where you are on completing an order, how far you have to go, how much scrap has been created. It allows you to plan out weeks in advance. You can see how the week's going to pan out, how the progress is going for the week, and be able to plan this week and the next week. From a day-to-day perspective, it has taken the scheduling job and made it so much easier. The time it takes me to schedule has gone from hours and hours a day to hours a week. Instead of spending 2 or 3 hours in a production meeting every day trying to track down everything, I spend 1 hour during Monday to plan out the week. I load it into the app. I plan it out. And from then on out, it's just kind of fine-tuning and reacting to what is going on. The plan is already set, and now you're just reacting to what is happening. So it frees up so much more time in my day to be able to take on other responsibilities. In the version 2.0 of RotoEdge Pro, it gives you the ability to drag and drop work orders in your scheduling tab. So it makes it super easy to move things around, to be able to move priorities on each different arm. You can set which priority drives the arm. This blue one would be driving this arm. And we know that it will calculate how long it takes to complete that work order. This one is 135 parts, and it calculates, based on the takt times we have in there, how long it will take for us to complete that work order. And it will track in live time, scrap, and production. So it will adjust that time based on how the machine is functioning. And it makes it easier to drag and drop other work orders in that will match the work order that is driving your current arm. It also has the ability to set up what we call a hard break, which means when we're doing a major change to the machine, either taking it a whole arm, stripping it to go to an all new cycle, or maybe you're scheduling machine maintenance, things like that. You can move the work orders around. You can go unassign them, take them down, and to put a new work order on, it's easy enough to just grab it here, drop it right in. Makes it very simple. RotoEdge Pro also gives you the ability to be very flexible in your scheduling and be very reactive to situations that arise. Perhaps get a new order in that needs to take precedent over the current orders. You can very easily get in there and change your schedule almost instantly. You can adapt to problems that come up in the plant if a tool gets damaged or you run out of an inserted material. You can very easily and quickly adapt your schedule to whatever conditions may arise. You can also track the productivity through your plant in real time. You can see if the machine's been molded, if it's going through secondary, if it's been assembled. You can track where your work orders are at. It helps organize shipping, so you know the proper work orders are being shipped to the proper customers. It gives you so much more flexibility and ease of use to be able to do scheduling. And you're able to, like I said, plan out weeks in advance and months in advance. Overall, it gives you much, much, much more control over your business.